Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. It is fantastic to have you here once again. In this video, I will show you the best DIY support for the angle grinder ever. It is easy to make using 20mm square pipe and a piece of 3mm steel plate. It allows you to keep your angle grinder in many different positions. In your bench vise, you can use it as bench grinder, disc cutter, sharpener, polisher, and so on. Your imagination is the limit. At the end of the video and in the description, you will find all the materials and the measurements. All you need to make it is a drill and a welder. As you can see, I'm a terrible welder, but I made it, and even if ugly, it works perfectly. But now, let's take a look at some of its uses in the shop. It takes only a few seconds to attach it to the angle grinder, and no tool is required. Once attached to the bench vise, I choose the right disc for the job I want to do. A grinding disc in this case. I'm ready to grind. As you can see, with the support in this position, I have the maximum stability of the grinder, as both the square pipes are attached to the vise. I can grind this rebar on the side of the disc or on its cutting edge. Note how stable is the grinder and how handy is the support on which the rebar rests. Now I mounted the cutting disc. Let's cut the rebar. Really easy and very precise. I need to sharpen this old knife, so I mounted a flap disc. not the shining cutting edge. And if you need a wider support for the piece you are working on, then you simply attach a wider steel plate to the support with a clamp. And you are ready to go. Also, to dismantle the support is quick and easy. This support is one of the tools I use most in the workshop. It makes working with the angle grinder more precise, especially on small pieces. You can even use the longer bar of the support as additional handle. It's very comfortable and easily controlled. You can attach the angle grinder at your bench vise in any position you may want, with only one or two supports for maximum stability. My angle grinder has not, but if yours has the possibility to attach the handle to the front, you will have some more available positions. With the angle grinder firmly attached to the vise, you will cut, grind, sharpen, wire brush, remove rust, strip paint, polish, sand with ease and perfect control on all the materials you usually work with. It's so quick and simple to attach and detach the support from your angle grinder without any tool that if you try it, you will no longer be able to work in the shop without it. And if you have a swivel vise, it's even better. If you want to build your angle grinder support, in this sketch I leave you all the measurements of the two pieces for your convenience. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and as always, thank you for watching.